Hey everyone, I'm Mike Henry. In a recent video, I asked if you would like me to do another thing like I did in the past where I had lines and you could color them. I asked if you wanted to see them in clean lines or rough lines, and actually some people said one and some people said the other. So I thought, since I have to do the rough lines to do the clean lines anyways, why not do a new character for this line of monster characters and save out the roughs, save out the lines, and then put them both up so that people can download and color them. And that's what I decided to do. So what we're going to do is call this the Gentleman Chupa Color Challenge. Now it's called Gentleman Chupa because this guy is a chupacabra. He has a name. I will reveal the name and all that kind of stuff later. I have also already painted this character, so there is a final version of the character ready to go. But I wanted to leave it still really open for everyone, so I'm not going to post the art. I'm not really going to talk about him outside of what you see here. All you need to know is that he is a very proper, gentlemanly dude. Now, if you're the one who likes the really roughs, this right here in the time lapse is where we're going to stop. That is the rough that I'll have in the download link that will be in the description of this video. We're also going to, in that download link, or I should say in that folder link, have the download for the clean lines. Are you interested in the clean lines? That's what we've got coming up next. Here is the time lapse for the clean lines. This is definitely going to be for somebody who wants the anatomy a little bit more figured out, some of the specifics a little bit more illustrated. Now, not everything might be the clearest because it is just a 2D line drawing, and your job will be to bring it into full color. But if you're somebody that wants a little bit more support from the lines, then this right here is going to be the version that you're looking for. In a second here, we'll hold on the final. And there are the clean lines. These will be downloadable as both a Procreate file and a PSD file, so you can pick which way you want to do that. So those links are down below in the description. As for the timing, this one's going to be really short. For some of you that might be a problem, for others maybe not so much. I apologize for that, but I want to get the whole video done by the end of next week, and whatever you guys produce I will be putting in the video for this character next Friday. So that means the deadline is midnight Thursday, April 30th. Midnight no matter where you are, because I'm not going to be able to start working on this until the middle of the day on Friday. So I hope you guys really like the idea of doing some sort of a color challenge on both clean lines and rough lines, and I'm real excited to see what you guys are going to do. So email your submission into the email down below in the description. That's the only way I'll be accepting these. Even if you post it somewhere like Instagram and you know I've seen it, just know that that email is the only way that I'll actually be collecting the art, getting it ready, and putting it into the video. So thanks for watching the video. I look forward to your submissions, and I'm excited to see what this crazy character will end up looking like when all of you have had a go with him. So thanks.